NIO stock reaching all-time highs? What else is new? Just days after announcing their partnership with one of the best-run companies on this planet, Nvidia, NIO soared 15% before somewhat cooling off today. Analysts at Bank of America and JP Morgan Chase both already upgraded their stock ratings. This is a company that when the pandemic started, didn't even have enough money to pay its workers. It's about to eclipse $100 billion in market cap valuation. Now, what did NIO do that impressed investors so much? Did they enable a GPS to find Jack Ma? No, too soon, but seriously, where is he? NIO announced during NIO Day a new luxury vehicle that's costing around $69,000. That's a great number. It's almost as great as you hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel. This sedan also comes with a very powerful battery that has a driving range of over 600 miles. That's almost the distance of Chicago to Miami, Florida in just one stop. Don't want to pay super close attention for that long when driving? Well, the sedan comes with autonomous driving once it actually hits the road come early 2022. This is a stock that was worth just $1.19 in October of 2019. That wasn't that long ago. What a long and prosperous road NIO has been on, and I don't see them slowing down anytime soon. Remember, over 1 billion people live in China alone, which has the fastest growing middle class population. $69,000 is still a lot of money, and the Tesla Model 3 should be hitting $25,000 in just a matter of a few years. NIO is using this rise in parabolic share price to continue to raise more capital, which is nothing new for NIO. They sure know how to capitalize on some exciting news, using this as a chance to raise $1.3 billion in convertible debt. NIO said they will use this mainly for general corporate purposes to further strengthen its cash and balance sheet position. While this might scare away a lot of investors, I personally don't have that big of an issue with it. This is a company that's still in the growth phase of its history. They should be doing whatever is necessary to get those green dollar bills and invest it back into the company. If you don't innovate, you're going to be left in the dust. The renewable energy dust, that is. Go big or go home. If we're a long-term believer in this company, do we really care about, or will we even remember a share dilution a few years from now? Do you guys even remember when Tesla raised $5 billion last month? This is exactly what being a public company is all about. It's about having the flexibility, the options to raise cash. Just use that money wisely, hit that like button, and just watch the production and sales of NIO cars rise in the years to come. NIO is tired of playing little brother to Tesla. They want to prove that they really do belong in this EV game, which the Chinese government is also lacing with subsidiaries like the US once did. Now I'm going to share with you my vested interest in NIO stock. How many YouTubers will actually make a video on NIO, but then actually share their own portfolio position in it? Yeah, not many. First, let's take a look at my Nvidia position, which is partnering with NIO to accelerate the development of autonomous driving systems. Nvidia provides state-of-the-art AI, artificial intelligence, for the EV cars of the future. So you can see here I first started buying Nvidia all the way back in 2019, and I'm up 164% on my very first share, and I've been buying them basically ever since then. November of 2020 was the last time I bought it. It's been kind of stagnant since then, but you can see I've made some pretty big gains, 48% overall. It makes up a little under 5% of my portfolio. Currently have 6 shares. Hopefully Nvidia does a stock split here soon. It's getting kind of ridiculous in total share price here. PE ratio is also pretty high. So I'm glad to see Nvidia doing well, and I think this partnership with NIO is only going to help them. They also work with Tesla on autonomous driving cars as well. Okay, so for my shares of NIO, I actually currently don't own any, but what I have been doing is I've been doing options trading with them. So you can see here today I actually bought a put on NIO. I got paid $111, and what this basically means is that if NIO, by the end of this week, it's a weekly option, so it's going to expire on Friday. So if on Friday it's lower than the $60 strike price, that basically means I need to buy NIO at that price. So options work in 100 share quantities. So if we take $60 strike price by the amount of shares, 100 shares, that's going to be $6,000 value of NIO that I'm going to own. But the risk here is that NIO, by Friday, it could be trading at like $57, which means I'm going to be paying $60 for those shares. which really now only have a market value if it was $57 of about $5,700. So that's potential risk there when doing options. But what I really hope though is that NIO expires at like $60.02. That way I get to keep my premium. I don't necessarily have to buy NIO shares, but even if I do get assigned owning NIO, I think they're easily going to break over $60 in the future. So even if I got assigned, I would just do a covered call above a $60 strike price. That way I would still break even on my realized gains, and I also get paid a premium to do so. This strategy is called the wheel option. Going to continue to do it here. So I got paid $111 to potentially buy a stock that I would like to buy anyway. It's pretty sweet here. If you guys have any questions on the strategy, please let me know in the comments below. I don't want to make this video too long. These mid-week videos are very hard for me to make as I come back from work and then have to make them. So show me some love, hit that like button, comment and your thoughts below, and I'd love to interact with you. And I'll catch you guys next time.